How to record iPhone screen without third-party applications. It's very simple. Go to Settings. Select the Control Center menu item. Scroll down and select Screen Recording. Please note that you can drag this item wherever you like. Open the Control Center curtain. Swipe the right corner. There will be a screen recording button. You can also change some recording parameters. Long press and hold. You will now be able to turn on the microphone for voice recording. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell button so you don't miss new videos.